Hi, this is Dr. Danny Brassell coming to you from the Culinary Institute of America in New York. It's beautiful. I think I'm on the corner of Rosemary Road and Parsley Place or something like that. Anyway, I love cooking, but I don't know how to cook, and that's why I always make sure to have the best cook for me. I don't know about cooking, but I know about getting kids how to love reading. And if you want the recipe to get your kid excited about reading, then you need to go to readbetterinSixty7steps.com. I'm going to show you how to help you get your kid to love reading. You know, schools do a pretty good job of teaching kids how to read. I'm going to teach your kid why to read. Make them a reader for life, not just a person that reads because they're required to in school. You're going to love the time you get to spend with your child. So make sure you go to readbetterinSixty7steps.com. There you can also pick up a complimentary copy of my book, The Reading Breakthrough, and let me help you help your child learn the recipe to loving reading. Remember, you make a difference every day, and you are your child's greatest teacher. I can't wait to go on this journey with you, culinary journey.